welcome back to my channel. So this video is going to be a unboxing video. So I just got in my spooky box, and yeah, so let's open this up. If you don't know what spooky box is, it's basically kind of like Halloween all day long. So, but it's like they always pick a theme, and then inside of it has a bunch of cool, like spooky cool stuff. So the theme for this month is voodoo box, and they have a little sticker that they put on here, and then pretty much it'll tell you. Now if you're new to my channel, I hope you stick around and subscribe, become part of my beauty family where we are beautiful in the inside and the outside, and we encourage one another. Also, don't forget to hit this, if you hit the subscribe button, don't forget to hit the bell as well, just because you can get notified, and YouTube also is, you would have to push it so you can see the new videos that I post when I post. Okay, so yeah, let's open this bad boy up. I will also put the link on the, for this subscription on my subscription. That way y'all can check it out in case y'all are interested. And yeah, so let's open this up. So usually when you open it up, it has these little cool little confettis, and they always have like a theme, and this one has green little stars in it, and then it comes with a little card like this, which I don't really like to look at it because I like to be surprised, but the funds for this, some of the funds goes to the cancer research in the UK, which I think that is awesome. Usually per month they would do something, but for the whole year 2016, I believe that they were doing the money for the cancer research. So let's go ahead and pull the first thing I'm going to pull out. And this is so cute. This is called a voodoo doll, mystical doll key ring, and it looks like this. That is so neat. I wouldn't mind. Who will you voodoo? That is so cool. I love it. I don't know, I just love Halloween. I don't know if it has the fact that my birthday's the day after Halloween, but I just love spooky movies and supernatural stuff, and yeah. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is it has like a little green bag, and usually my little one, I know she opens these with me, but she's in school right now, and I'm about to go have some Christmas lunch with her, but also I wanted to pack some of these and surprise her and put her in her little stocking, that way she can be surprised about that as well. Ooh. It has a lovely put jewelry, and her favorite color, my little one's favorite color, is green. So let me open this up. What I pulled out is this really cool necklace, and it says voodoo on it, and it has these really pretty emerald stones on it, like little crystals on it, and I think that is so pretty. I love their necklaces. I use them all the time. So yeah, that's so pretty. I like the little bag. I was gonna love that. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to pull out is another little green bag. And let's see what this is. I like these green bags. It kind of reminds me like of the Grinch, which I like. We were watching that yesterday. Oh wow, it has two things. Okay. So the first thing is a little crossbow charm, so that you can put it on your bracelet, or you can put it on a necklace. I think that is so cute. I don't know if you can see that. That is really, really cute. And then the next thing, is a, I don't know if it's a bracelet or an anklet. It might be an anklet because it looks a little too big. But it has the little bat charm on there, if you can see that. I think that is so cute. I like that a lot. So, yep. And then a little green bag. Next, I'm going to pull out a, okay, they always put a pin, and I love them because I collect them all. And this is the little skull pin, and it looks like it has like something poison inside to drink. That is so cute. I think everything's like in here is green, and I love it. The next thing I'm gonna pull out is another little bag, and I don't know what this is. It looks like little soaps. Let's see. Oh, they're candles. I think they're homemade, but that is so cute. They're little skull candles, and it comes with two of them. I think that is so cute. I like it. Put that up. Okay, so the next thing comes with a little patch, and it's the like poison little, you know, like a drink, like the science drink, like poison, like so cute. I know that's what's really cool right now is a lot of girls are buying like blue jean jackets and buying patches and putting them on, and that is like a really cool idea. Even they put like the pins right here, which I think is really cool. The girls are all into that, so yeah, I need to do that. And then it comes with another picture, which I love this picture. It's like a gothic girl or emo or whatever, the little skull and the voodoo doll and the lollipop. I think that is so cute. These I like to buy frames for them and hang them in the girls' room. Since like their whole room is kind of like Tim Burton spookiness theme going on. And this is a spooky box. And this comes with Black Magic bunting. It says Black Magic, and it's just like a little banner you hang in their room. I think that is so cute. And then I think this is the end, and this is just a lollipop. They always post put a lollipop in every box. That is so cute. The green, that is really nice. So let's see. So the custom made, it says a pair of mini skull candles. We got that. Magic glitter garland. We got that. Skull pin. We got that. Potion patch. There you go. Potion. I kept saying poison. Potion. Got that. Glitter voodoo necklace. Got that. Dog keychain. Got that. Bracelet. It is a bracelet. And 2 collectible charms. That's cool. We got that. And the gourmet lollipop. I don't know the taste of this. It doesn't really say. But yeah, that's all that was in this voodoo spooky box. I love spooky box. So that's it, guys. I really hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. Also, comment and let me know what was your favorite, and if you're a spooky box member as well. And yeah, so I will see you guys. Well, I always mention what my favorite is. I'm gonna have to say, I don't know, I like everything, honestly. I'm gonna have to say the little necklace, the voodoo necklace. But yep, that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video again, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.